Introducing the 2022 Audi Q5. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, fog lamps, power liftgate, dual zone AC, electronic stability control, heated front seat, power driver seat. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.